I love Christmas. It is my favorite time of the year. The part I like best is decorating the Christmas tree. Do you like doing that? Do you have a favorite ornament? You do? Oh, so do I. Let me tell you about my favorite Christmas ornament. The story begins with two little sheep in the park.
Oh, where are my bells?
They must be in this park somewhere.
I had them 1 minute and then the next minute they were gone. You see any down there?
I don't see them down here under this tree.
They're not underneath this bench.
They don't seem to be on top of this bench either.
They are not hiding with this pile of pine cones.
Ooh, pine cones. We can use them to make ornaments later.
Will we ever hear our bells again?
I don't know. I don't see them anywhere.
Imagine I can hear their pretty chimes.
You're not imagining them, sheep. I think I hear them too.
But where are they? Look, it's our favorite park person, the Christmas bard. I like it when we stumble across her.
She has our bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upshot. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, the story I must tell. I went out on the snow, and on my back I fell. A gent was riding by in a one-horse open sleigh. He laughed at me as I ran away and quickly drove away. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Merry Christmas! What are you two doing out here in the park?
We were looking for things to make ornaments out of when someone lost our Christmas bells.
They are no longer lost. A park person found them. So far we have found some pine cones to make ornaments with.
My favorite ornaments are the ones I can eat, like candy canes.
I like candy canes too.
We're making ornaments to help reindeer decorate for Christmas.
Wow, a reindeer! I want to go. Can I?
Sure you can.
Oh, wow! I get to go hang out with a reindeer. Wait, we can't go yet. I need to find some sticks first. Y'all find some too.
Why are we looking for sticks?
We can't visit a reindeer without having our own antlers. I want mine to be gold.
Oh, I'm going to make the prettiest antlers with the prettiest sticks.
Oh, these normal brown sticks will do just fine for me. See you two overachievers later.
I want my antlers to be made from the finest red maple. Not these boring sticks. Now I just need to find a red maple. This is not a red maple. Oh, yay! I finally found some red maple lumps.
I just need to find some goldenrods. No goldenrods here. Where else can I look? Oh, I can't find goldenrods anywhere. I searched the bridge, the bush, even the grass.
That's 'cause you're looking in the wrong place, silly. You need to go look in the woods.
Yay! I found goldenrods! Yippee!
Well, don't you all look very festive today?
I'm a reindeer too! I love reindeer!
Really? I know a song about reindeer. Would you like to sing it?
Yes! Is it Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
It is. And who better to help us with the song than the Christmas bard? Hey, Woods person, would you honor us with a song?
Of course, I'll help you sing.
Cool.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Yay!
Bye, Woods person. Thank you for helping us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hey reindeer, we came to help you decorate for Christmas.
Well, I can certainly use the help. I have all these trees in a library to decorate.
Can we see while we decorate?
Of course we can, Ramses.
This is going to be the best decorating we've ever done. We better get started.
Oh, Christmas tree, with faithful leaves unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, with faithful leaves unchanging. Not only green in summer's heat, but also winter snow and sleet. Oh, Christmas tree, with faithful leaves unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. In summer sun or winter snow, a coat of green you always show. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches.
You all did a great job decorating. Those ornaments you made are amazing.
We saved the best one for last.
We made one especially for you.
I helped too.
Christmas ornament. It's my new favorite.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't